I'm going to help you how to use going to talk about future. Hello everyone, I'm teacher Orlando from Shaddai English Academy. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to use going to talk about future. En inglés hay muchas formas de cómo expresar el futuro. In this case, our focus is going to be on how to use going to. Vamos a enfocarnos a utilizar el going to talk about future. We use going to when we have already decided what to do. My intention is to do something. Utilizamos going to cuando ya hemos decidido qué vamos a hacer, cuando ya hemos organizado nuestro plan o nuestra actividad. For example, yo estoy ahorrando dinero porque voy a comprar un carro. Entonces, como ya ese es un plan que tengo de antemano, yo digo, I'm going to buy a car or I'm going to buy a new house. Si ya tú decidiste casarte, entonces tú dices, I'm going to get married. I'm going to get married. Algo importante es saber que cuando utilizamos going to, debemos de utilizar el verbo to be como auxiliar. My mother is going to drink some soda. My father is going to buy some books tomorrow. Otra forma de pronunciar el going to de manera más casual o informal es decir gonna. Tú puedes decir I'm gonna play baseball tomorrow. I'm gonna play, que lo mismo decir I'm going to play, pero una forma más casual, right? You can say I'm gonna speak English this year. I'm gonna speak. I'm going to speak. En canciones, en películas, se escucha mucho el gonna, que es lo mismo decir going to. Let's see other examples. I'm not gonna have breakfast this morning. I'm not going to have breakfast this morning. What are you going to wear to the party tonight? What are you gonna wear to the party tonight? Now I'm going to clarify something. Cuando explicaba el uso del present continuous, decíamos que el present continuous ing se utiliza para expresar lo que estamos haciendo en el momento, pero también podemos utilizar el present continuous para expresar acciones futuras. For example, I can say, I'm playing tennis with my friend tomorrow. I'm playing tennis. Es lo mismo decir I'm going to play tennis. Alright, so you can use the present continuous también para expresar planes futuros. Otra forma también de utilizar el going to es cuando vamos a predecir algo, cuando hay una evidencia de que algo va a acontecer. For example, si veo que está nublado, yo puedo decir it's going to rain. Va a llover, it's gonna rain. Or si tengo que estar en un lugar temprano, pero veo que posiblemente no voy a poder llegar temprano, puedo decir I'm going to be late. I'm gonna be late. Voy a estar tarde. All right, now I'm gonna ask you some questions. I'm gonna ask you some questions. What are you gonna do tomorrow morning? Are you going to play? Are you going to visit your relatives? Are you going to watch a movie? Where are you going? Where are you going now? Are you going to the supermarket? Are you going to buy some food? What are you going to do? Going to when we want to express future events, future plans, right? Future activities. Recordar que siempre se utiliza el verbo to be como auxiliar y que también se puede pronunciar gonna en vez de going to, okay? It's the same thing. You can say going to or gonna. Puedes utilizar question words. Puedes utilizar yes, no questions, such as, are you going to study English tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow?